big square that you're going to do is going to be this big. Okay. And I'm going to fold the extra portion to get 2 squares there. And now that you have got this square, you're going to fold this in half again. And I'm going to cut it in the middle and on the line. On that, where you have the joint, you will run your scissors through. And for this, there's obviously a rectangle. You're going to again make a square like this. Don't throw away any paper that you get, even if it's this thing, because you can make class with this too. Now, for a four-sided petal, what you're going to do is you're going to cut this in the middle. You already have this line. Can you see? Yes. You just have to fold it like this. And you fold one exactly here in the middle. Can you see the center here? Hold it. And I would like you to bear in mind this portion here. I'm marking it for you so that you don't make that mistake while cutting. Okay? This portion, you're not going to cut on this line, but you will cut from here. And stop at the line that you have drawn there. Can you see? I have just stopped exactly there. I have not taken the scissors below that. And you have a four-sided petal. I'm going to open it. Yeah. Petal flower like this. Okay, you can try this one out. And remember, friends, when you fold it, you have to make note of the corners, which is closed. Don't cut on the side which is closed, but cut on the side which is open. Thank you.